2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.